Back in this video, I'll be solving Leetcode problem 621 task scheduler. So you're given an array of CPU tasks, each labeled from a letter A to Z and a number n. Each CPU interval can be idle or allow the completion of the task. Tasks can be completed in any order, but as a constraint, there has to be a gap of at least n intervals between two tasks with the same label. Return the minimum number of CPU intervals required to complete all tasks. So this n is between 0 and 100. Okay, this one, well, I've never solved this, so it's not hard, but I screwed through the hints. This one is, I think, most important. So for every cycle, find the most frequent letter that can be placed in this cycle. After placing, decrease the frequency of that letter by 1. So essentially, we need to track which letters are available to use this cycle. If none is, then we just increase time. So we'll have to track time also. And kind of, yeah, that's it. So we'll have tasks, and for each task we'll have available task, and I guess that's it. Yeah, so let's do count of tasks is equal counter of tasks. So, and now I have this. So I'll call it available, which will be, well, since we want to first do maximum, the most frequent task, then we have to do the max heap, which will be minus I for I in count of tasks. And essentially, we have this, and we also have like a queue, or do I need a queue? Well, do we need a queue actually? Yeah, let's use queue. I don't need it, but I think it's more straightforward with it. So double-ended queue. And essentially what this queue will do, we will pop from a variable and put it in a waiting place. Waiting, or let's use postponed. So essentially, while I have something available or postponed, I increase my time plus equal 1, and I return time in the end. So I increase my time by 1. If something is available, then I do task will be most frequent task will be available, and here I need to do heap q.heapify available. So available will be heap q.heap pop from available. So most frequent task is this. since it's negative, I increase it by 1, and I put it into postponed dot I guess add, and it adds time, which is time plus n, and most frequent task. So at that time I'll be able to take the task if there is nothing in a variable. Or maybe I messed up the order, because if something else gets available at that moment, yeah, I would first want to check if there's something postponed, and postponed of 0 is equal time. My ordering is over the place. I'll do it like this. So my time is 0. If postponed and something is postponed is equal time, let's put it equal or less. heap push. I just push onto the heap. New available task is equal postponed dot pop left. So I push on available. I push NAT. So first I check this. It should be 1 by 1, so there shouldn't be an issue. And if something is a variable, then I pop a variable. I decrease the number of, and if mft is not equal 0, then I do this time turn time. I guess this is it. What do you mean? Some C tasks of K. My bad. Expand. MFT, I pop a variable, and a variable is what exactly? What do you mean? MFT heap pop from a variable. What do you mean? Why did I mess up? Oh, okay, postponed pop left, but I want 1. Okay, I didn't do so. If there is something available, I can do it. So what am I missing? So if I'm doing something wrong, so I'll have available postponed if postponed and postponed 0 0. Okay, yeah, I have to do this before. I have to do this before because I will have to do +1 here. So still not. What do you mean? So if I postpone, if I postpone is less than time, net is postponed pop left, so I take it. And postponed is MFT. And I push to variable NAT. Only if it's not 0. Okay. I don't get it. So let's print available and postponed and time. Oh, okay. So -3. What was it on -3? So just available is just -3. What? Okay, yeah, so I messed it up. So it's time to so I still okay, I think I did some silly mistake. So I should do print. I should do print postponed. I think here I'll see. Something that doesn't make sense. Okay, I get it. So it's not. I think we still need to do this. This is an issue, I would suppose. Okay. Yeah. That was an issue because I just shifted the time by 1, and that means earlier it was then accessible, which was not correct. So, interesting problem, but I did require some hints. I wasn't able to get it straight. So, yeah, pretty interesting. Space complexity, well, it's number of, I guess, it's number of tasks, and tasks are uppercase, so space should be alpha. Worst case, yeah. And time complexity, well, if I have all A's, then it'll be N, I'll call it length times N. Because for each one I would have to wait 100 rounds. Is this correct? Yeah, I guess it's this, because if, let's imagine we have all of them being, I don't know, 100 days, and we have to wait 100 times for each A, I would do 100 cycles, so yeah. Okay, let's just click submit if it's going to be faster, or I'm stuck at it. So yeah, I'm stuck, but it's not that bad. Okay, I guess that's it. If you have any questions, you know what to do. I appreciate you following this video, and see you in the next video.